Here's a German classic, a unique, especially in classics, 1972 VW Beetle. As you can see, kind of a bright blue, saddle or tan interior, powered by an Era Correct 1600 cc engine paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Now, as far as the paint, this is a little older restoration. Does have a few spots we can see. Has been touched up. Coming out of a long-term ownership. Gentleman that owned this car prior. Had it for 21 years. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a peek at the interior bucket seats, of course. Shifter on the floor. Little spot there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan and may be eligible for one that you can extend up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, that number 507-386-1726. We'll fire it up here at the end of the video. I'll let you hear it run. Nice smooth running engine. We'll check out that engine bay. We'll also take a little closer peek at the interior. But first, let's take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. Noticed it may have had a Frenched-in antenna once upon a time. Kind of a vented running board look there. Let me move this folder a second so we check out this passenger seat. Interior looks good, free of rips, tears, holes. And you'll be able to see the rear seat and a lot more pictures of the interior on our website with all those still pictures. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Starts easily. Make sure we're neutral. Radio is in working order also. Slip around to the rear of this so you hear it run. Check out the engine compartment. Again, 1600 cc. Era Correct. It's an AE block, I believe, with block stamp on it. Sounds good. 1972 VW Beetle. 507-386-1726. You can reach us at UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. This vehicle may be eligible for that extended warranty protection plan. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And we can also assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1972 Volkswagen Beetle. Great looking little car in metallic blue. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry. We do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you.
We're committed to making a difference. $3,000.
Stereo works good. Speedometer is working. Fuel gauge is working. 4-speed on the floor. Let's get her up to speed. Good running little car. Acceleration is pretty good. We're doing 55 miles an hour. Slight pull to the right, but the wheels are smooth. I'm not feeling any bouncing or shaking. It's nice and smooth. I'm 6'1" and I do fit in this car just fine. Windshield wipers do function. It's not hardly any wind noise even. It's a very well sealed up little Volkswagen. Check out this awesome little blue Volkswagen Beetle at uniqueclassiccars.com.